Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make this 3D object in Solidworks software, and also I'll show the volume of this object, and you will find it in many exams questions. So at first I'm going to here into file and taking the new file, and okay. After that I'm going to select the units. I'm selecting the mmgs, millimeters, gram and second. After that I'm taking the plane, top plane is selected, okay. Then extruder boss is selected, and I'm going to the center rectangle, sketch it. Then go to the smart dimension and determine it. I'm taking this one is 55, okay. And this one is also I'm taking the 55. So it will be the square shape. Then exit it. Now I'm going to extrude this 10 millimeters upwards. Okay, done. Then I'm going to extrude boss select again. Click on the surface. Then going here again. Click on the surface. Going to the some problem. Okay, corner rectangle is selected. Then click here. Then sketch from here. Going to the smart dimension and determine the dimension is 20 millimeters, and this side is also 20 millimeters. 25 is better. 25 millimeters. 25, and this one is also 25 millimeters. Then exit it. Going to the features, select the extruder boss, and I'm taking this one is upwards 25 millimeters. Okay, then you're watching this one is. Then I'm going to the extruder boss again and click on the surface, and corner rectangle is selected. Click from here to here, and again draw it from here to here. Right button is clicked, then select. After that, a smart dimension is taken, and this one will be 30 millimeters. Enter. Okay. Then going to the trim entities and trim this portion. Then exit it. Then I'm taking this one is upwards only 5 millimeters thickness and the height. Okay, done. The object is done. You are watching. Then I'm going and select this one. I'm going here. This one is the front plane. Front plane is will be this way, and the right angle, right side, and the top side. This is the top view. So again top view, then front view, then side view. Side view is right side, left side view is here, and the right side view is this way. I think got it, everybody. Now I'm going to color it. Going here, I'm selecting this materials is metal, steel, brush, selected brush. Okay, so this brush is taken. Then I want to show the volume of this surface. I'm going to the evaluate and mass power is selected, and the mass is 55.13 grams, and the volume is 54,125 cubic millimeters. So this was the volume, that's why it's the cube. And the surface area is 11,350 square millimeters. I think everybody got it. And when I'm selecting this one, full body is also showing again. Here the density is not showing because the materials is not exactly happening. So the mass is 55.13 grams and the volume is uh, 54,125 cubic millimeters. I think everybody got it. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe the channel and like, comment and share. The redesign engineering is always with you.